Some Minecraft users are reporting that they're no longer able to join a Minecraft server. The error message that gets displayed is not authenticated with Minecraft.net. This problem is confirmed to occur on Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and Windows 11. Here's a list of methods that other affected users have successfully used to fix it and play the game normally. Method 1. Refresh login session. You can do this by clicking the drop-down menu associated with your account, top left corner of the screen, then click on Log Out from the context menu that just appeared. Once you have successfully signed off of your account, log back in by inserting your Minecraft account credentials once again and see if you still get the not authenticated with Minecraft.net error when you try to join or create a server. If the same kind of issue is still occurring, move to the next method. Method 2. Delete Minecraft from hosts file. Open the Start menu and search for Notepad. Choose Run as administrator. Click File, Open. Insert path like screen and press Enter. Remove any line that contains Mojang. Save the file by clicking File, Save. Then close Notepad. Method 3. Power cycle your network device and computer. Shut down your computer and unplug your router and modem. Wait for a few minutes. Plug your router and modem back in and connect to the internet. Turn on your computer and relaunch Minecraft.